Hello and welcome to AWS Women in Tech Day Community Edition. And I am Rashmi Nambiar. I lead the AWS Developer Marketing for India and South Asia. Oh, I love this picture from last year, Women in Tech Edition at Mumbai. So this year, while we could not address you in person, I am glad the lockdown did not stop us from creating a bigger event in a virtual format. So what's in store today? What's the plan? So we have two keynote sessions, 10 technical sessions, which are level 200, and this will cover AIML, serverless, containers, DevOps, and much more. You could ask your queries to the speakers during the sessions, and you can also network with the speakers post-session, which will be via chat and video call. Please ensure that you attend the session polls because this will give us a feedback on the content and speaker presentation skills. There will be a session quiz at the end of every session, which you have to go to the contest page and participate in those. And if you top the leaderboard, then you get a chance to win Amazon goodies. The AWS training and certification team member who will be speaking at 1 p.m. today will take you through on how to build your future in the cloud and also give you insights on the wonderful training offers that we have got via our APN training partner exclusively for women in tech. So, do we stop it here? Definitely no. We want to continue the conversation with you, and that's why I would like to introduce you to the AWS user groups. These are basically the communities where we encourage peer-to-peer learning, learn about new services and best practices, answer questions, and share new ideas. Now, AWS user groups in India, we have 18 across various cities and towns. So if you wish to participate in that, you can visit developer.aws and get more details on it. Again, if you want to launch a new user group in your town, or you would like to participate in the existing communities as an organizer or co-organizer, and if you wish to speak at any of these sessions and share your cloud stories and use cases, then please reach out to me. I will be available throughout the day, and you can network with me via chat or call. Now, these communities also run annual tech events, which are basically by the community for the community called the AWS Community Days. Last year, we had the Great Indian Community Day tour covering 6 cities in India. But this year, because of the whole pandemic situation, the AWS user groups in India have decided to come together to showcase the power of a community and continued learning. And we will be doing one big AWS Community Day in India virtual edition. This will be from 16th to 17th October 2020, and the registrations are open with Jeff Barr, who's the vice president and chief evangelist at AWS, doing the keynote session live. So please ensure that you register at awsug.in, and you will see a great lineup of speakers who are both industry experts and cloud end users. So definitely participate in this. So whichever part of the journey you are on cloud, we have a program for you. For example, the AWS Educate Cloud Ambassador is a students program where the students gain recognition, access to career development, and also get other benefits for encouraging peer-to-peer learning in their universities. AWS Community Builders is a recently launched program for the early stage cloud enthusiasts who wish to get more networking opportunities, access to resources and mentorships, and get ideas on how to build community and help with the community empowerment. Now, the applications to submit your interest in Community Builder program, the deadline is September 15th. So if you wish to participate, visit developer.aws so that you get all the details on it. AWS Hero Program is a universal program where a group of experts, cloud enthusiasts who have created a really big impact on the community by sharing knowledge is recognized. Now, these knowledge sharing might be via blogs, forums, open source communities, AWS user groups, industry speaking, and a long list of other things. You will be meeting some of the AWS heroes from India in today's session. We Power Tech. We Power Tech is about you, the builders who are changing the world through tech. Now, at AWS, we believe the future of tech is every color, origin, gender, belief, and community, which means the future of tech is accessible, flexible, and inclusive. And we have the AWS Reinvent Diversity Scholarship for the women who excel in community contributions. They get invited to AWS Reinvent, and it is a fully sponsored, full scholarship program that you can be part of if you go above and beyond in knowledge sharing. Talking about reInvent, it is our annual AWS Cloud Conference, which usually happens at Las Vegas for a week. And this year it is coming to your home, which means AWS reInvent will be virtual, live, and free. So please visit the link and participate in keynotes, launches, and sessions. Now, I would like to take a pause here on all the programs and thank the speakers from both AWS and AWS community who built a great content and agenda for today's event. Special mention to all the community members, especially the women who are now shining as cloud experts, mentors, and advocates. So, for example, Bhuwana, she started coming to our AWS meetups in Bangalore, and she became the co-organizer of AWS user group in Bangalore. She started contributing, and soon she became the very first AWS reInvent Diversity Scholarship winner from India. Then there was no stopping for her. Writing blogs, speaking engagements, mentoring at universities, she journeyed towards becoming the very first AWS Hero woman representative from India. Deepali is a technical product manager and she is the community leader for AWS user group in Delhi and NCR. She's an active AWS trainer and will be organizing the container workshop at AWS Community Day. Sridevi, another gem from AWS user group in Chennai, she works as a senior cloud architect. She also is a diversity scholarship recipient, and just a month back, she was nominated as the first AWS data hero from India. Congrats to her again. Sukanya, she starts talking about tech, and you know she is about AIML, a diversity scholarship recipient, AWS user group Mumbai co-organizer, data scientist by profession. She will be organizing the AIML workshop at AWS Community Day. Terry is based in US and she is a community hero. She is the CEO of Second Sight Lab and she just published a book on cybersecurity for executives in the age of cloud. Now, these are all the wonderful women who will be speaking at today's session, and you can check the sessions page to get their schedules. I would also like to take this particular opportunity to thank all the community members and user group leaders for creating a diverse and most engaging AWS community. Thanks for your effort and support. While we get ready for the keynotes and the rest of the day, I would like to leave with a quote. Just when the caterpillar thought the world was over, it became a butterfly. I strongly believe that every one of us has a chance to transform and achieve our dreams. I know these are difficult times, but we need to stay on course, persistent, and remain calm. You have taken the decision to pause, learn, and move forward in a more informed manner by joining today's event. So I expect everyone to have a wonderful day today, and thank you very much.